Okay, so this is prototype, I think it's number 5, right? And it's going to mount the same way and all that, but basically what I wanted to do here was to say, all right, if you don't have a shaper, or you don't have a router table, you don't have a stacked dado blade, and how are you going to make those deep dados and the tongues? Well, what this one is, and I get into detail on how to do it. Actually, I end up making 2 different ways of doing it, in fact, but it's basically taking some narrower material and then doing a glue up. So you do a glue up here and a glue up here. You can see I put black walnut here, there's some maple, but by doing that you create your dado doing a glue up. And that's really actually a pretty good way to do it, especially if you don't have the tools, right? It takes a little more time, but the other nice thing about it is you can get multi-species that way, like I did here. You know, if you like contrast, black walnut, maple, some ash in the middle. And again, the shape is the same. Everything is pretty much the same. The joinery is the same, stuff like that. So that's how that would work. Hope you enjoy. GoPro stop recording.